Today, I want to talk about the most important part of any dropshipping business, advertising. If you're currently running a dropshipping store, you know that finding new customers can be a challenge. Your success relies entirely on effective marketing that both attracts new customers and generates sales. In this video, we'll be going over some of the most effective ways to advertise your dropshipping store, including Facebook ads, TikTok organic, and everything in between. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to increase your current sales, this video will help you get there. Let's jump right in. Alright, in this specific video, we'll be talking about growing your dropshipping store with TikTok, Facebook, and Google ads. But if this video gets 100 likes, I'll make a part 2 going over the next 3 best platforms that you guys should be using. Because while I believe you guys should start off focusing on TikTok, Facebook, and Google, there are so many other great platforms out there for you guys to test and try out after you master these platforms. I also have my $0 to $100,000 TikTok dropshipping guide linked in the description for you guys to download that can actually be implemented in 30 days. So make sure to download that today and see what kind of money you guys can start generating in the next 30 days. So to get started, I just want to give you guys a quick introduction of each one of these platforms, and then we'll dive in and break each one of these down for you. So TikTok organic marketing can be effective as TikTok has a large and very active user base. Facebook ads are great for targeting specific audiences and retargeting campaigns, and Google ads can help you reach people who are actively searching for the products that you are offering. Now, creating a brand presence on TikTok can be done effectively in quite a few different ways. TikTok offers a unique opportunity to showcase your dropshipping store's brand personality, creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience and promotes your products. Use popular music, hashtags, and challenges to increase your reach and engagement within the TikTok audience. Tips for creating your content on TikTok. Keep your videos short and very entertaining. Use trending sounds and popular hashtags to boost your visibility, and showcase your products and highlight their unique features within each video. Moving over to Facebook ads for targeting our audience. With Facebook ads, we can target our audience using demographics, interests, behaviors, location, and so much more. You can also create lookalike audiences that will expand your reach even more, and then you can go on even further to create retargeting ads that convert your warm leads. So what are retargeting ads? Someone sees your ad, they are cold traffic, but once they start learning about your brand and what kind of products you offer, they are then warm traffic because they haven't converted yet, but they know about your brand. So you can use retargeting campaigns to retarget these people to actually make them go through and complete their initial purchase, converting warm traffic to hot traffic, or in other words, your customers. The Facebook ads platform is free to get started with, very easy to learn, and can really take your dropshipping business to the next level. I have so many Facebook ad tutorials on this channel. I'll even link one for you guys in the description if you guys want to learn how to use Facebook ads today. Now let's go over a few tips for actually creating your Facebook ads. Define your target audience and set clear objectives for each campaign. Use high quality visuals and create engaging ad copy for each one that you publish. Test multiple variations of your ad to find what works best for your audience. So you guys want to test out different ad copy, different creatives, different interests, different placements, and just test literally every little aspect of your ad to find out what resonates best with your target audience. Going even more advanced on the targeting side, we have Google ads that allows you to reach the right people at the right time. Google ads allows you to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and their search behavior. Use this feature to reach potential customers who are most likely to convert. So here's some best practices when you guys are creating your Google ads. Define your target audience and set up your daily budget. Choose all of your relevant keywords in your ad formats, and craft compelling ad copy and utilize your ad extensions. So to conclude this video, by leveraging the power of TikTok, Facebook ads, and Google ads, you can reach a wider audience and increase your dropshipping sales by starting today. I have so many videos on this channel covering Facebook, TikTok, and Google that will help you guys get started. But like I already mentioned at the beginning of this video, I linked my $0 to $100,000 TikTok dropshipping guide down below for you guys to download. Make sure to download that if you guys want to get started dropshipping on TikTok. I hope this video gave you guys a good idea of which advertising platforms you'll want to use to market your dropshipping business. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I also have a ton of resources for you to check out in the description below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.